Hi, it's math time, and I know you're working on ordering numbers today. I think from least to greatest. So this morning we're going to do least to greatest and from greatest to least. What's a synonym for least? Yeah, the smallest amount. Yep. What's a synonym for greatest? The biggest. So if you're having troubles with least, think small. If you're having troubles with great and what it means, think biggest. Okay? So we are going to go least to greatest. Here are your four numbers. 37, 26, 15, and 32. All right, so take a minute and think. If you said 15, why? You're right. How did you decide? When you looked at the 15, did you look at the tens place or the ones place to decide? You did. You looked at the tens. You are right. You look at the biggest place first to decide which one's the least. And 10 is definitely less than 30, 20, and 30. So good. All right. What would be the next one? Did you say 26? You were right. You're looking at the tens place, the largest place. And 30 and 30 are bigger. Okay. Your next two. Ooh, a little tricky. We have 37 and 32. Well, the tens place is the same, isn't it? So what place is going to help you decide what's the least? You're right, 32, because 2 is less than 37, and that means 37's our last. Beautiful. Shall we try another one? Let's do it. I'm going to give you four numbers again, least to greatest, smallest to biggest. All right. So be looking, ooh, a little tricky. Did you say 32? You were right. How did you decide that? You looked at the tens place. Did the tens place help you completely? No. You did know that 30 is less than 40. 30 is less than 40. But this is 30 and that's 30. So you had to go to the ones place. And you saw that 2 in the ones is smaller than 6 in the ones. Great. And the next number would be, yeah, the tens place helps you solve it. All right. And the next least number would be, once again, the tens place are the same, 40 and 40. So which one is smaller? You got to go to the ones place, 45. That means 48 is the least. All right, we're flipping our brains, just like we do when we do addition to subtraction. We're flipping our brains, and we're going to go. You ready? Greatest, so biggest, to least to smallest. And here's your four numbers. Okay, here they are. Remember, check it out. Greatest to least, biggest to smallest. We got 84, 92, 83, 90. What is the greatest? If you said 92, you're right. A little tricky though. This has 90 and this has 90. What is greater? You have to look at the ones place. Well, 2 is greater than 0, so it has to be 92. You're right, 90 would go next. I got two numbers in the 80s. Which would be the greatest? You're right. 88 is the same, but 4 ones is greater than 3 ones. And we're doing this one. 83 is the last. Ready? One more, and I'm going to step it up, guys. I'm going to make it a little more challenging. Get you ready to be second graders. All right? All right, greatest to least. Ooh, let's read our numbers first. 236, 352, 257, 187. Greatest. Oh no, it isn't that, is it? That would be my least. I don't want to do that. My greatest. Well, I would say, if you're right, you said 352, because now you're looking at the hundreds place to tell you which is the greatest. And 300 is greater than 200, 300 is greater than 200, and 300 is greater than 100. Awesome. Ooh, here comes your tricky part. I have two numbers in the 200s. Do you see it? You already know? You looked at the tens place next and you saw 5 tens is larger than 3 tens, so it has to be 257. You're right. Then 236 and 187. Oh, high five, high five. Pat yourself on the back. Excellent work today. Good luck on your papers today. I believe I only did tens places, guys, but you can rock this, okay? All right. That's it for my math lesson today. It looks like the sun's coming out. I was up kind of before the sun, but it looks like the sun's coming out, so I'm excited. All right.